Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this super gorgeous theater card for New Year with handmade paper quilling flower decoration. So you can just slide this belt and pull these two tabs and you will get the surprise Happy New Year message inside the card, and it will look like a 3D television or theater, and you can just stand it on your desk to decorate your craft room. Now to close the card, you can again slide this belt. So without any further delay, let's get started. For this we need some multicolored 3mm strips, liquid glue, half cut pearl, pencil, quilling tool, scissor, any punched border, ruler, white color cardstock and some pattern papers. First we need two white color cardstock which measures 16 by 12.3 centimeters, and this cardstock is having 260 GSM thickness. Now take your ruler and from left side I am marking on 4 centimeters and 8 centimeters. Now just make a crease line on these markings and then fold the creases. Like this. In the same way I have created one more panel using other sheet. So we just need to fold it like this from both the side. Now I am taking two more white cardstock sheets which measures 16 by 12.5 centimeters. So first take one and I am going to attach these two panels on top of this. So just add little glue on this first folded part and connect with the base. Now I am decorating it using some pattern paper. Like this. Then from top and bottom I am marking on 0.5 centimeters, just creating a line on this marking and cutting this strip from top and bottom. In the same way I have cut the 0.5 centimeter strip from left side panel. Then I am taking the another 16 by 12.5 centimeter sheet and I am marking from all four sides on 2 centimeters and creating a 2 centimeter frame and cutting it using my paper cutter. So it will look like this. Now I am decorating it with pattern paper frame. Then I'm taking this circle punch and punching two notches on this frame so that we can easily slide our panels. If you don't have punch, you can just draw a circle, semicircle, and cut with scissors. Now I'm taking 2 by 12.5 centimeters white color sheet strips and I'm adhering it with the frame from back side. So just need to add glue on top and bottom. Don't add glue in the middle part because we need to create a belt so that we can slide our panel through this. In the same way, I'm adding other strip. Now take back your base and frame, and now I'm going to insert my panels through these belts. So it will work like this. Ta-da! Your theatre card is ready. Very easy, isn't it? Now I am taking this 8 by 2.5 centimeter pink strip and I am adding here letter ear on top of this. I have this alphabet die from Dress My Craft, so I cut these letters from that die, but you can also draw letters on any paper using pen and just stick with the base. In the same way, I have created happy and new. Now take back your card and inside the card I will adhere these words. Now I am adding pattern papers on these panels. So the card is ready. Here I have added this golden punch border on left and right side so that we can easily pull our panels. And now I am decorating the frame using some punch borders. Then I am taking this white strip which measures 30 by 5 centimeters and I am going to make a belt around the card. So I am adding one yellow color paper on top of this. And then I am connecting a belt like this. So your belt is ready. You can easily slide it. Now I am going to decorate this belt. So here I am taking this beautiful punch border and decorating the belt. Then I'm starting with some quilling flowers. For this flower I'm taking 1/4 strip of white, 1/4 strip of baby pink, 1/4 strip of dark pink and 1/4 strip of red color. I have joined all these parts and created one tight leaf shape. Now I'm joining 6 petals together and adding half cut pearl in the center. So we will be needed total 4 flowers, and for the leaf I am taking half strip of light green and 1/4 strip of dark green and making a leaf shape, joining 3 petals together and leaf is ready. Also I have created 4 scrolls using light green and dark green color combination. Now taking back my belt, and on this side I am going to adhere my flower so that I can hide this joint using flower decoration. Now taking back my card and just sliding this belt like this, and whenever you want to open the card just slide your belt again and pull these tabs and you will get the beautiful pop-up surprise. In this way you can create your card for any occasion like birthdays, anniversaries, anything which you want. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.